In November 1977, a quiet revolution began, a move so bold that it shifted the way Indians thought about money, markets, and their own future. It started with a man, a vision, and just rupees 10. But let's rewind a bit. Before all the buzz and billion-dollar valuations, there was a tiny trading office in Mumbai's Masjid Bunder. That's where Dhirubhai Ambani laid the first brick of what would become Reliance. By the 1970s, Dhirubhai had launched Vimal, a textile brand that soon became a household name. But ambition has no finish line. To compete with industry giants, Reliance needed serious capital, more than banks could offer. So he turned to a new idea, radical for its time: why not raise money from the public? And just like that, India saw the birth of something new, Reliance's first IPO. But launching an IPO wasn't enough. Dhirubhai wanted people to understand it. So he hit the road, organizing town halls, explaining in simple terms, speaking the language of the people. He didn't just want investors, he wanted believers. And India responded. The IPO was oversubscribed 7 times. 58,000 people, many for the first time, became shareholders. For them, this wasn't just an investment, it was a piece of India's future. Now imagine this. No apps, no online forms, no instant alerts, just paper, pens, and patience. Still, Reliance made the process smooth, even creating a shareholder support team, decades before investor relations became a thing. And those early investors? They were rewarded. A rupees 1,000 investment back then grew into nearly rupees 8 lakhs in 35 years. That's not just growth, it's generational wealth. The ripple effect was massive. More companies followed Reliance's path. Regulation caught up, eventually leading to SEBI. And suddenly the stock market wasn't just for the elite, it was for everyone. Dhirubhai wasn't just a businessman, he was a visionary. He believed that a company's success should be shared, and he backed that belief with transparency, innovation, and an open-door approach to wealth creation. That IPO in 1977 wasn't a one-time event. It was the spark. From oil refineries to geo towers, from retail to digital, Reliance became a giant. But at the heart of it all remains a simple idea. Growth should belong to everyone. So yes, it started with rupees 10, but what it bought was belief, ownership, and a seat at the table. Dhirubhai Ambani didn't just float shares, he floated a vision, and India's common man was finally invited to rise with it. That's it. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. For more information on current and upcoming IPOs, please check our website stockhoney.in. Happy IPO investing!